solo, jazz, improv month. We kind of built on things from last time where we worked with those quick quicks and those slow steps, and we danced to some music and noticed that you were kind of falling into jazz steps. And so then we kind of took those jazz steps and worked with taking them into different places. We have, for instance, our Boogie Drop. Boogie Drop, what if you traveled somewhere? A Boogie Drop, a Boogie Drop. Or we had our box step. Ba, ba, hey, and a boom, ba, ha, hey, ba, ba, ha, hey. We also worked with Boogie Forwards, Boogie Backs, and there was one other step, but it is escaping my brain, so you had to be there. And then we took those moves and we changed the timing a little bit. Oh, hey, it was rocks. A rock, 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 rock. We made it slow, slow, and a bop, bop. A quick, 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 quick. Or we had a box, boom, bop, and a quick, 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 and that's what we did.